we're gonna do today, we're gonna harvest these chili peppers and make some pepper flakes with them. All right. All right, so I'm actually getting some help. That's good. So I have a sheet tray here, a dry sheet tray. We're just gonna line them out on the sheet tray evenly. Alright. Okay, good. Alright, that look good. That look good. So what I've done, I've actually set my oven to the lowest temperature, which is actually 200 degree. But if you can bring it down to 175 degree Fahrenheit, that will be good. But mine stop at 200. So I'm gonna put it in the oven and I'm gonna check it within the next 2 hours. All right. I couldn't get my oven down to 175 degree. The lowest temp I could get it down to was 200 degree. So what I did, I used a spoon to crack the oven door open a little bit to let out some of the hot air. So it opened about 1/4 inch wide. This is the pepper after 2 hours. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and let it go another 30 minutes without opening the oven door. So I'm gonna close the oven door and let it go for another 30 minutes at 200 degree. Okay, if you notice, you can see that they have actually started losing the water. So they have started to dry it up. Okay, so this is it after the 30 minutes with the oven closed. So we're gonna check them right now. All right, see that? You see that? All right, so that's it. So it's fully dried right now, so we're gonna crush them. That's strong.